am going to discuss about the topic is terpenoid. The terpenoid from a various group of compound, the majority of which occur in plant kingdom. Isolation of these substance from the various part of the plant, even from the wood in some case by steam distillation of ether extraction give, which are known as essential oil. These are widely used in perfumery, food flavoring and medicines or as solvent. Among the typical essential oils are those obtained from cloves, rose, lavender, citrulina, eucalyptus, peppermint, camphor, sandalwood, etc. The chief constituents of the essential oils, which are obtained from the soap and tissue of certain plants and trees, were originally called terpenes. However, these days the more general name terpenoid is used. The reason being that the suffix ene signifies unsaturated hydrocarbon, and hence, as such, the name of terpenes is inappropriate to include compounds such as alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, etc. However, the term terpenes is now used only to represent hydrocarbons with molecular formula. Isoprene rule: the thermal decomposition of almost all terpenoids give isoprene 2-methyl-butamone-3-dienes as one of the product. This suggests that the skeleton structure of all naturally occurring terpenoids are made up of isoprene unit. This is called isoprene rules and was first pointed out by Valak. Thus, divisibility into isoprene unit may be regarded as the necessary conditions to be satisfied by the structure of the natural terpenoids. Thus, according to the modern definition, terpenoids are hydrocarbon of plant origin having the general formula C5H8N, where N is 2, 3, 4, etc., as well as their oxygenated, hydrogenated, and dehydrogenated derivative. In 1925, it was pointed out by Ingold that the isoprene unit in natural terpenoids were joined had two tails, and the head being branched end of the isoprene unit. The divisibility of the isoprene unit and their head to tails unions may be referred as special isoprene rule. The carbon skeleton of open chain monoterpenoids and sequestered terpenoids showing head to tail unions of isoprene unit are shown below. However, it may be pointed out here that although this rule has proved very useful, yet it can only be used as guideline principle and not a fixed rule. Several exceptions of this rule are known as, for example, in lavandinol and ariminophylone. In carotenoids and isoprene unit are joined tail to tail at the center. At the same time, there are some terpenoids whose carbon content is not multiple of 5, and those carbon content is a multiple of 5 but cannot be divided into isoprene unit. Classification: we have stated above the most natural terpenoid hydrocarbon having the formula C3H8N2N, where N is 2, 3, 4, etc., and it is this value of N which is used for classification of terpenoids are shown. The sesquiterpenoids have been dissolved only recently. The first example of this is called solanisols, and acyclic unsaturated alcohols, which was discovered in 1956. In addition to the hydrocarbons in each classes as given in above table, oxygenated compound like alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, etc. are known as which occur in nature. Each classes of terpenoid have been further divided into subclasses such as alicyclic, monocyclic, bicyclic, tricyclic, tetracyclic terpenoids, according as they have open chain structure or have 2, 3, 4 ring respectively. Some representative complexes are, that is, monoterpenoids and the second is sesquiterpenoids, and the third is diterpenoid, and the fourth is triterpenoid, and fifth is tetraterpenoid. Now we will going to discuss about the first is, that is, monoterpenoid and acyclic, and it contains mycrine, geranyl, nerol, and nilonolol, and geranyl or citral, nerol or citral, and citronil and levonorol. And the monocyclic contain alpha tryphenol, limonol, methanol, and methones, and the bicyclic contain alpha phenone, camphor, fambone and isomeric. And the cis-quaterterpenoid contains the cis-terpenoid are classified into four groups according to the number of the rings present in the structure. If we use the isoprene rule, then when three isoprene units are linked head to tail to form an acyclic cis-quaterterpenoid hydrocarbon, the latter will contain four double bonds. Each isoprene unit contains two double bonds, but one disappears for each pair that is connected. Now, when open chain compound is converted into a monocyclic structure and another double bond is utilized in the process, so monocyclic cis-quaterterpenoid hydrocarbon contain three double bonds. In a similar way, it will be found that bicyclic contain two double bond and tricyclic contain one. Now, the next one is diterpenoid. And representative examples are pythol. It was obtained by hydrolysis of chlorophylls and it is also formed a part of monocyclic molecules of vitamin E and K, and it is a acyclic diterpenoid and it has two chiral centers 7 and 11. And the triterpenoid squalane is a acyclic terpenoid and it contains isolated from liver of the shark and other sources are olive and several other vegetables. The tetraterpenoid are also called carotenoids, for example beta carotenes present in carrot and lycopenes which is formed direct pigment of the tomato. And this is all about. Thank you.